local dialect in Hong Kong, Cantonese. That's me, the time. The people, they talk to each other only Cantonese. So that's why even the Mandarin and the English, which is our official language. But in Hong Kong, not everybody, we can speak it. That's the reason why. That anybody come back. Because as I told you, after we enjoy the picture in the West Kowloon Culture District, from now, we're on the way to our next stop now, we're on the way to Gowen. We go shopping, okay? We go to the jewelry factory. Since from now we are on the way to do the shopping, so right now in the moment, Kenny, also I could like to give you some more idea to you about shopping in Hong Kong. Since Hong Kong, we have the nickname, what? Shopping paradise. Everybody like to come to Hong Kong for shopping. But let me ask you, do you know why? Why Hong Kong is shopping paradise?
Why?
Thank you. Okay, because Hong Kong, this place, tax-free part. That's mean in Hong Kong, you buy many things, you don't need to pay tax. But in Hong Kong, actually, when you look for 3 kind of the stuff, you still need to pay tax with 3 kind. First one, cigarette for smoke. Okay. Second one, alcohol. Yes. Okay, alcohol. One more is gasoline. Petrol for our bus, for our vehicle. In Hong Kong, when you look for these 3 kind of the stuff, you pay tax. But let's say, I only buy clothes, I only buy shoes, no tax. Okay, so that's why Hong Kong is shopping paradise, and also that's why all the tourists like to come to Hong Kong for shopping. Like anyway, as you know, from now also we go shopping, we go to the jewelry factory. But let me explain to you that why today we go to the jewelry factory. Because actually, in Hong Kong, jewelry industry is a very important industry, the 3rd most important one. But what is the first one? First one, clothing, garment. Okay. Second one, electronic item. Then the next is jewelry. In Hong Kong, jewelry industry is important. But actually, Hong Kong, the jewelry also is famous. But famous about what? About the design. Because actually, Hong Kong, this place, we have no material about any kind of the gemstone or it's come from another country. But it's still famous about the design. So this is the reason why other world every year's jewelry fair is located at Hong Kong. And also that's the reason why today we go to visit a jewelry factory. And today the one we are on the way to go in is called Fortune Jewelries. And actually this Fortune Jewelry is one of the largest jewelry factory in Hong Kong. So some of you ask, is it safe for you to look for anything here? Of course, very safe, because anything you look for from the shop here, they have lifetime guarantee to you. Because all the jewelry item in the shop, before they selling to you, they make sure all the craftsmanship and the quality very good first before they selling to you. So actually they have one kind of the service is like that. Maybe this time you go to the shop to buy the jewelries, next time you come back you feel the jewelry item, the style is already old. No problem, just bring your receipt, bring your jewelry item, come back to the shop again, then you can exchange to the other jewelry item on the same price. Or next time you come back,